Welcome in to another Woolly review. Today we have got Kingcole Big Value DK. This is a 50 gram ball in the colour of cream. Now, we're not judging the colour, okay? Don't judge the colour. It asks for a 4mm hook, and so a 4mm hook is what we're going to use, and it's our beanie hook. So I'm going to give it a go. Now, the cheapest place that I found this was on Woolbox for £1.08. So we will give it a go and see what's what. And I believe there are 52 colours of this. A few too many. There we go. That's a bit better. All 52 colours are solids, but that's definitely quite a few to choose from. Now, this is 100% premium acrylic. I can't remember how much is on it. 158 yards, 145 meters, and of course that is approximately. On a little ball like this, that's not too bad. Now, I have to say, this does feel like cheap wool. It really does. Honestly, it feels like it was in the bargain bucket, you know? Why are we curling? Why are we curling? It's very curly. I mean, it doesn't feel rough as such, but but we're doing a couple of rows of each stitch, 2 single, 2 half double, and 2 double to see how it works up, and then we will go and see Monsieur Frog and see how that works. So this is our single crochets. I'll do some half doubles now. We're not, oh, sorry. We are not here to judge my crochet skills or lack of. We are literally here to play around with it and see how it works up, to see if it's something that I would use in the future, or see what you think of it. Now, being honest, I'm as honest as I can be with these reviews. If it's really, really awful, I will tell you it's really awful. Oh my gosh, here we go. And the real bean comes to give us a helping hand. Okay. Thanks, bean. Oh boy. Mwah. It's a good job this is my wool, isn't it? And not somebody else's. Let's go. So these are the half doubles. So we'll do one more row of half doubles. I'm hoping you can't hear the purring in a way because the microphone is in the opposite direction. Sorry. Oh, Oh, splitty doodah. That's going to blow it out. I can't stroke you while I'm doing the reviews. Yeah, thank you. Any more for any more? I have a feeling that it's close to the F word time. And that's why she's hounding me. Because I have left this a little bit late to do in the afternoon. Okay. Now all the info about this wool is in the description below underneath this video, but directly under this video is a subscribe button, which is completely free to do, or if you're willing to support the channel a little bit more, maybe you'd like to become a member. Plenty of member benefits to go around, some that are mentioned and some that are not, but we like to do what we can for our members, as well as exclusive giveaways, which you don't even have to say that you want to join in. It's an automatic thing for the second level and up. But there's levels with different types of vlog and personal lives. Thank you, Beanie. I'm getting smooched. So there we have. Are we done now? Are we done? Jeez. It's not bad stitch definition. I know it's getting blown out a little bit, but that's going to be too dark. But at least you can see slightly better. But let's put the flash back on because, you know. So, I mean, that actually feels a little bit better than it does like working with it. So that isn't too bad on the skin. It's not. I can't lie. It feels a little bit worse to work with than it does on the skin. So let's go meet the frog. And hop on a moped. Oh, it's kinky. Oh, it's kinky. Look at the kink. There is a little bit of fuzz all I'm having to kiss Beanie while I'm doing this. The responsibilities. There is quite a bit of kinkage on this, which I wasn't really expecting. But there's also, which probably can't be seen. Can that be seen without the flash on? Not really. There's quite a bit of fuzz on this as well. There's a little bit of stretch on there, but it's not much. But I would say be careful because it does split a little bit. So just be careful with how you're using it and you should be fine. So let's put its little ball band back on. We'll move this beanie back. We'll move the ladybirds forward. And let's see. 50 grams, 145 meters, £1 8p at this moment, which of course wool box as well, which is where this is the cheapest at time of recording, is also linked down below. Would it be in my top 10? Yes, probably. Would it be in my top 3? No, I can't even hesitate with that. It wouldn't. It would probably, possibly be in my top 10 if I was desperate and really didn't have the money. So I think I'm going to have to leave it on the 3 Ladybirds. Because it doesn't feel quite right. Yes, it's okay on the skin, but to work with it, it's not great. But there are a nice amount of colours. Goodbye, Beanie. There are a nice amount of colours involved, which is good. Maybe it would be better for amigurumi or something where you need something a little bit tougher. Maybe, you know, that's the technical term, or at least around here. So I'm going to leave it at the 3. I have used it before, and I think there are bigger balls. Or maybe I'm just thinking of the Big Value Baby version that's got 100 grams. Maybe, possibly. But this is a 50. This is the one we're reviewing. This is the one we've got, and this is what I'm going to give it. I'm giving it a solid 3. 3. Done. Anyway, what do you think of it? Let me know down in the comments below. Maybe you've used it. Maybe you haven't. Maybe you would use it. Let me know what you'd use it for. And if you're possibly thinking about using it in the future. Maybe. Either way, hopefully I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.